Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your phone and your PC for a debugging connection today. Enable developer options and USB debugging on your Android phone in Settings. Install Android Studio and SDK platform tools on your PC before connecting devices. Connect the phone using a good USB cable and confirm file transfer mode when prompted on the phone. Verify you have the correct USB drivers if on Windows, and use the latest Android Studio updates for best compatibility. Restart both devices if connection issues persist and reattempt the steps calmly. Next, you will authorize the PC and verify ADB connectivity for debugging. Open a terminal and run a DB devices to list connected devices. If your device appears as unauthorized, check the phone for an RSA authorization prompt and accept it. Use a DB TCP/IP 5555 to enable wireless debugging when you prefer a Wi-Fi connection instead of USB. Confirm the device ID appears in a DB devices after authorization. If needed, run a DB kill server and a DB start server to reset the ADB. Finally, configure Android Studio to build, deploy, and debug on your device quickly. Select your device in the Run or Debug configuration drop-down in Android Studio. Build and run the app to install it on the connected phone automatically. Use Run and then attach Debugger to Android process to debug a running app when needed. Enable Instant Run or apply changes to push code changes faster during iterative development sessions. Monitor the Logcat panel and use breakpoints in Android Studio to inspect variables and execution flow effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.